Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can fix your printer status unknown error in your Windows PC. I have HP printer in my home and I happened to see this error, and so I decided to make this video for you guys so you guys can also fix this problem very easily. First off, you have to remove all the HP related softwares and drivers from your PC. This is going to be like a clean installation. So you have to remove all the old softwares and drivers which is related to your HP printer. Removing your HP printer driver is completely different method, so you have to watch this full video to understand that. So don't skip it. So right now I'm uninstalling all the HP related softwares and apps from my Windows PC. And that includes HP Smart Windows app also. You can only able to uninstall Windows app from separate add remove program settings. The one I showed you guys is actually a old version of the program uninstaller. But before uninstalling the HP Smart app, I'm going to remove all the printers from my computer. I mean only HP printers, because I also have another different model, but it's not actually HP. But we are actually now fixing the HP printers, so I'm going to remove my HP printers from my computer. Now that we removed our HP printers, it says printer is offline, but even though it is connected to my Wi-Fi, so it's fine. Now you have to open run and paste this following command. If you want to open the run, you have to press and hold Windows button and R key at the same time. You can also search in the search bar as run and it will show you guys the option, and then you can execute the following command. Once you have done that, you have to remove your HP drivers from the list, because we will do the fresh installation later. Now you have to open the run and then enter the following folder path. This will open the program data folder. And then you have to remove this following folder just like I do. It's actually related to the HP printer, so we are deleting this one also. Now we are going to uninstall our HP Smart app from our Windows PC. These apps and features are the new version of the program uninstaller. It's where all the programs and apps will be there. You can easily able to uninstall any program or apps from here. And once you have done that, you have to restart your computer. After restarting your computer, you have to reinstall them. So first off, I'm going to install the HP Smart app from the Microsoft Store. But it won't work until you install your HP printer drivers. This is actually a HP website. You can download your printer drivers from here. All you have to do is type your printer model number and it will take you to the page where you can download your drivers. Now you have to click the software utilities and download the driver. You have to download and install the full driver pack. This single program has all kinds of things inside. You can choose to install some additional softwares or programs with it, or you can just install the drivers. I recommend you to just do the same as I do. If your printer is not showing there, you have to disable your firewall, or you have to connect your printer with your USB cable or Ethernet. Then it will detect your printer. I think our driver installation has been done. Now we can try and check everything else. It seems it worked. That's why it shows like green tick and it says ready. And I hope this helps you guys. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.